Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj. Monday, June 7th, 1999, 8:20 a.m. The medium asks, I am waiting for you, my beloved. He has not come. Where is he hiding? I will never hide from you until the end of your life. I will be present by your side when necessary. If you are not granted the joy to see my son, can you make do with my presence? The medium says, Oh Babuji, 1,000 times yes. You represent everything for me. We have already addressed so many topics. Do you believe we should continue? Do they want to keep hearing the same things, or do they consider our remark as blessings and seeds which germinate and grow inside them? Should we break off for them, for you? The medium says, For me, you know well that I will drain myself of strength to try to convey your teaching. Nothing else is important in my life. We know it and we cherish you for that. Our rather particular relation shows to your circle that whether one is a medium or not, one can isolate oneself, calm one's mind, and be united with us in the silence of the heart. This may not result in the same dialogue as between us two, but all should know that with time and diligent practice, they must arrive at a certain vibratory union and a satisfactory contact. The purpose of all that which has been said with insistence in the previous days was to encourage them to arrive at this interiorization. Obtained with faith and humility, it will enable them to be united with the inner master. He will open to them doors connecting to other spaces. You must remember these messages and try to understand all their subtlety. For you, now this is somewhat as if we were speaking from another planet, from a completely unknown earth where you could never set foot. You are quite mistaken. Get prepared to become astute and courageous explorers. Get rid of useless burdens. Re-examine your life well. Check your priorities. We will respect them. We will be happy to see you advancing with confidence and in state of lightness, having divested your life of any superfluous aspect. You will be ready for the most beautiful journeys in our company. Babuji. Monday, June 7th, 1999, 10 a.m. The medium says, Babuji, I am looking forward to one thing only, to rejoin you. That will happen in due time. Your being surrendered should also entail leaving this idea aside for the moment. Your creed must be here and now. You are doing what you always ask for, serving. Be reasonable for a little more time. You will not rest on your laurels after having left the earth. Therefore, don't be obsessed with the idea of rejoining us. Other constraints will await you here. For a long time now, you have not believed any more in the beautiful images of the Christian paradise where one rests on a cloud while listening to the angels playing music. Your wish will be answered. You will have much to do. We will use your competencies. Therefore, accept your life as it is currently. Live each moment like a grace. The good and the least good are in the water drop, which can, according to the case, refresh or flood. Your life is made of that. Benefit from the moments of joy. They exist, and endure your suffering, which also allows you moments of respite. We know what you are going through and which gift you are granted. Think of this maxim which we recommend. Generally, you put it into practice, but you sometimes happen to forget it. You should set an example for all those who undergo tests. They will, sooner or later, be confronted with suffering. Faith is the true comfort. It is precious and it helps to support the worst moments of life. It is true friend and never hides away. Babuji.